Alright, Hoover, I just sold the meth, the LSD, the firearms, the drugs, the meth, and more firearms.
Good. Very soon we'll control all of Cuba.
We just need to kill the leader of Iraq and Iran now.
Very well, Ike. Very good. Well, this appears to be the Brown House.
It does. I was up in this part of New Zealand. I usually stay up in the upper island.
Well, I left something in Biden's room.
Why would you divide him? You have to have some explanation, dude.
No.
Despite like killing everybody I know. I mean, besides that.
We probably have around 14 hours.
How the fuck are we even gonna stop this?
How'd you get your name, anyways?
Oh. It's actually an interesting story. As I mentioned before, I delivered mail in New Zealand, but I was a clone. I was bred to be the perfect soldier, and eventually I just got tired of the torture every single fucking day. That one day I snapped, I took the guard's gun, and I killed every single person in that factory I was made at. Salazar was impressed, like really impressed. So he said, deliver this mail, delivers $8 quintillion across New Zealand, and he won't kill me. And it's only thanks to Malcolm that I was able to get out.
Oh my God, Courier. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, thanks.
Well,
Why are you counting money? You know money has like no value now.
It's still useful. We need money.
For what? There's nothing to spend money on. There's no economy.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Yeah, thanks to you. Okay, Alright. Hey man, if I take this jacket.
Yes, that's right. Another thing. I left, some gloves for you as well.
Will they like help me fight your demons? Demons or whatever?
Yeah, I think
nice
they're pretty useful.
So Hoover. Let's work, Hoover.
Yes.
A lot of demon killing ahead of us.
Indeed.
Alright, you should be near.
Who? And why are you helping me?
I'm looking for a weapon. Be careful. Invisible
Soldiers. Should have guessed.
Everyone's gone. My country. My family. Someone, get me out of here. They'll exploit us till we die.
Senator, how pleased you are to kill federal agents. I am J. Edgar Hoover, director of the FBI.
Yeah, guess so much.
Took a lot of murder and stealing to get here.
Fuck you.
You enjoy killing, don't you? The NIS, the factory, the FBI.
You know?
Kill them all.
You're right about me. Oh, everything. Do enjoy killing. Makes me feel alive. Feel good. The only time I felt good was when I was facing the eyesight of a barrel from Hoover.
What are you saying?
Saying, Cinder's back.
Kill her.
Eisenhower, turn off my pain inhibitors.
You don't have pain inhibitors.
Oh, you're right.
Fucking idiot.
I was wrong. You are just like us.
That nickname you want you love so much. Wanna know how I got it? Actually, why don't I give you a demonstration?
Time for off sender.
Deliver. Yeah.
Fucking shit. Dog.
Hussein!
I can't say, but he is very powerful. Very powerful. The TSABI. He has control of it.
What's that?
The syndicated agency based on inspection. Maybe we could work together.
One Hoover's enough. What the hell is calling?
You killed Edgar. I'm impressed. We all know there's only one way that mankind can succeed. It's through warfare and destruction. Offsender, 7 hours remain.
Fuck.